What's visible on screen here is the Xiaomi G30 Max, the brand's latest cordless stick vacuum, and by several measurements, one of their most capable cleaning tools to date. At first glance, the design follows Xiaomi's established stick vacuum language: lightweight, modular, and wall-mountable, with a charging stand that also organizes up to 4 accessories. The suction power sits at 280 air watts, roughly 51% stronger than the previous G11 model. 3 adjustable modes, Eco, Auto, and Turbo, allow the vacuum to adapt across different surfaces, from hard floors to carpets and upholstery. One thing that stands out is battery performance. In Eco mode, the G30 Max is rated for up to 90 minutes of runtime, a significant increase compared to earlier Xiaomi models. The 4000 mAh battery is removable, and a full charge takes approximately 3.5 hours. The filtration system is HEPA grade, with independent testing suggesting it captures 99.98% of fine particles, down to 0.3 microns. This makes it particularly relevant for households with pets or allergy concerns. Another thing worth noticing is the 6 included brush heads, a bendable tube, and an extension hose, offering flexibility across furniture edges, ceiling corners, and tight crevices. The 800 milliliter dustbin releases with a single button, keeping hands away from collected dust during emptying. Overall, the G30 Max appears to represent a meaningful step forward in Xiaomi's cordless vacuum lineup. For those looking for a strong, long-running stick vacuum without a premium brand price, this seems worth serious consideration.